Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to do a long screenshot on Android. Here's how to take a long scrolling screenshot on an Android phone. First, open the page you want to capture. Go to the app or web page where you want to take the long screenshot. So for example, I will go to Google Chrome and go to a website with my preferred lyrics. Take a screenshot. Press power plus volume down buttons together or use your phone's screenshot gestures or shortcut. Tap capture more or scroll. After the screenshot is taken, a preview appears. Tap capture more, scroll, or scroll capture depending on your phone brand. Scroll the page. Your phone will automatically begin scrolling and capturing the screen. Tap to stop. When you've captured enough, tap done or stop the scroll manually. Edit if needed. You'll have the option to crop, draw, or add text to the screenshot. Save the screenshot. Tap Save in the top right or the check mark to store the long screenshot in your gallery. View in Gallery or Photos app. Go to your Gallery or Google Photos app and look for the image and the screenshots album. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.